Actually, mirroring iPhone to Mac is actually very easy. We've rounded up 6 of the most popular ways to share iPhone screen on Mac as follows. Hope these help you find the most ideal solution for your screen mirroring target. Way 1. Mirror iPhone to Mac with QuickTime Player. QuickTime Player is a built-in feature of the Mac. Not only is it a media player, but it can also record video and audio using the hidden feature of screen mirroring. How to mirror iPhone to Mac with USB via QuickTime Player. Connect iPhone to Mac via USB. Open QuickTime, go to File, New Movie Recording. Select iPhone from camera list. Click Record to start mirroring and recording. Way 2. Share iPhone screen on Mac with AirServer. Download AirServer on Mac and iPhone. Connect both to the same network. Access Control Center on iPhone. Tap screen mirroring icon. Select Mac's name. Enable mirroring switch. Way 3. Mirror iPhone screen on Mac with Reflector. Install and run Reflector on Mac. Ensure MacBook and iPhone are on the same network. On iPhone, open Control Center, tap AirPlay, choose Mac. Enter displayed code on iPhone. iPhone mirrors to Mac screen. Way 4. Screen mirror from iPhone to Mac with AirPlay. Open Control Center on iPhone, tap AirPlay, select Mac. Enable permissions, enter code to establish screen mirroring connection. Way 5. View iPhone screen on Mac with Let's View. First, connect both iPhone and Mac to the same Wi-Fi. Download Let's View and launch the app on both devices. On your iPhone, wait until your Mac name appears. Click your Mac's name, pair it via code, and your screen will mirror instantly. Way 6. Show iPhone screen on Mac with App or Mirror. You can also use App or Mirror to mirror iPhone to Mac or MacBook. It is compatible with almost all devices, so you can use it to mirror not only iPhone to Mac, but also Android device to Mac.